be in downtown Kingston.
Hey, uncle.
Yeah.
I want to say I go and put it up here now.
I beg.
Guys, send some donut.
Beg my beg.
Donut, anything helps. Hi, Champagne.
Nothing more, nothing
Hey,
less.
honey.
Hey, Carl.
Hey, Tapas.
What's up?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What's up, Derrick?
There.
Like and share, guys. Like and share. Tap up the screen.
Look how me you big friend. You don't want to accept my request.
Eh?
Don't let them put you against me, okay? Me and your big friend, you know. Don't let the people in the box put you against me.
Nobody not. Why make you say so?
Huh?
Yeah, because
Why
they
you
always
say
say
so?
to take me out. They always say to take me out of the box. That's not right. You know me love you like cook food.
I owe that uncle.
TMBK.
This is friend from foreign. This is friend from foreign.
Oh, Karen did
Okay,
say she
friend
got
from
rub out
foreign,
your
so
clock.
who
That's
take
why
it
she
out
said
of the
don't put
box?
her in at the box.
Who says so?
Karen said that the other night. What is her name in the blue something?
Who said that?
I don't know.
How's your day, Derrick? Everything going well for you for your Panama trip?
Yeah, I look at the sister and help right now. We can't get to look at change in my pocket.
Thanks,
Me have some your
Champagne.
change Friday, alright? Me have some your something Friday.
Tomorrow I'm going. You can't see this in the same way.
Let's see how Everybody in
Guys,
the box.
pop up the screen.
As
I'm
Topaz.
gonna live goal up here, uncle. Huh?
Him life
It
go
not work.
now
It
work.
not
Like
work.
Topaz is
Now
a
work for him
troublemaker, you
post
know.
it. Just send any gift out out no gift back.
What you say, BK?
It not work.
Hey, mister.
We not about talk, boy. Me have said we can't even get one little money gun, and we can't get no. Roy Q, do you? Because I know Roy Q was mixed up from a long time.
It not nothing to do with him.
His friend again.
He mix up. Right, remember say right crew don't play match. Right crew have him show and done at it. You know, do not them something there.
Don't do that. He's supposed to help you make money. Truth.
In company life.
Manager. You need somebody to manage you. For real.
No, I can't manage myself, you
Uncle,
know.
I have a manager already.
No, sir, me not manage, I just manage myself.
Oh, right.
So you manage yourself.
Yes.
You see a cash app? Make your own cash app. Make your own cash app. Don't make people collect money for you.
How Derrick gonna make his own cash up? Derrick in
Listen,
America?
don't do that. Miss Denise is a nice person. Don't do that. We're
I
not
know who
doing
Miss
so.
Denise is. That's not
You don't-
That's his friend.
You don't have to know who Mr. Denise is. Derrick know who he trusts. Derrick know the
okay.
people he's trusting.
See, I don't know who Miss Denise is.
You don't have to know. Don't come here mix
Why
up
you
Derrick
getting mad
head.
at me? Because you don't want to thief the man money.
We want
That's
thief your
right.
pussy. Your pussy we want thief. And sell it. Get your ass down from up here. You come here mixing up the man head, telling the man shit. He know who he trusting.
I understand.
She want make cash up for she get the cash up. Take your ass, go look at work.
Them not your about Carl. We're not your about Carl.
What?
Come in here, mix up my soon to be wife head. Don't come mix up my wife head. We trust Denise. We trust Denise. And Denise for say.
Never yet hear Uncle come and say Miss Denise a rob him, so I don't understand this. Guys, when I stop them, look, mix up something, you know, for real. Big up yourself, Sherry Berry. Right? That's a junker lotion. I don't understand, like, why should even... Jesus Christ. Back to regular program.
She come on a mission. Not accomplished.
Exactly, even with us. I don't like that. You see the vibe? The man have a milk vibe I go on a while ago and if you it's just, come on. I can't do that because you don't know the woman.
Exactly.
Top up the scream, guy. Top up the scream, guy. Top up the scream. Top.
Trey Owens. So what junker lotion say? Jesus, junker lotion. Mirror. No, BK, that is kind of mixed up because listen, no, it's not like you know Miss Denise. You don't know the lady, so you cannot say that. If you knew her, then you know Derrick's friend. Obviously, it's somebody he trusts.
Where Derrick can get cash out from? Where Derrick can get cash out from?
In Jamaica.
Derrick in America to get cash out? And that ain't her business to begin with. Derrick know the people he trusts.
Yes, that is something bad because then it's like you're putting him against people for no reason.
Me in an argument with her, me don't take her off.
Okay.
Take her off.
Right,
Yeah, I'll stay down there.
You know, so anything you say that will work with.
Straight across the board.
You don't notice you're not even see Miss Denise over here? She's not into that. Stop, you don't know who you don't come on and encourage.
Top up the scream, guy. Top up the scream. I'm alright, you know.
Guys, he can't
No money gone, guys. No money gone. No money gone. One, two.
Can't put the live goal up, guys. So just send what you have.
Top up the scream, guy. Top up the scream.
One money gone, guys.
Somebody didn't get. Oh no, I'm talking about the other person right there.
Yeah? Watch on sheet. Yeah.
One junker lotion in the building. Pick up yourself, Murphy. Pops and roses, guys.
Top up the scream, guy. Top up the scream. Send the money go and me tell you when I come back. Send the money when I come back.
It's shine. Okay. Zoe, you have to send Zoe Dawkins, you have to send a money gun and he'll give you that information live and direct. Guys, send whatever you have. Everything is greatly appreciated. He can't, put the live goal up at the moment. So whatever you have goes.
What me tell you? Me just tell him already.
You can't set it, Jella.
You tell me say I come down in a go up.
A donuts, money gun roses, a kitten.
Afternoon, guys. Top of the screen, guys. Any gift is appreciated for Uncle Derrick.
Big up yourself, Jella. Right, this some mama. Blessings. May your basket never empty.
I'm hot.
You see, you junker lotion. I want all of the screen.
Thank you, Jella.